how to transfer your account on DLS25. Okay, let's start and follow my step. Click on setting icon. Click on advanced. Click on manage device. Click on generate code. Generate code and copy to clipboard. Go back. Now go to your another device and follow the introduction carefully. Click on setting icon. Click on advance. Click on link profile. Now paste type that code. Now link your profile to this device. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.